I'm lost. I'm lost. Please help me. Please help me. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. Can you give me a discount? Can you give me a discount? I would like to take a day off tomorrow. I would like to take a day off tomorrow. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Just a moment, please. Just a moment, please. Can you repeat that again? Can you repeat that again? I want to buy this. I want to buy this. Can I try it on? Can I try it on? This is very delicious. This is very delicious. How much is this? How much is this? Speak slowly, please. Speak slowly, please. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Anything you say. Anything you say. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. That's not fair. That's not fair. What's a shame? What's a shame? You have crossed the line. You have crossed the line. I should have known earlier. I should have known earlier. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. See you soon. See you soon. That makes sense. That makes sense. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this. It's my fault. It's my fault. I'm all ears. I'm all ears. I don't even know. I don't even know. What do you want? What do you want? I don't get it. I don't get it. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm late for work. I'm late for work. Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime. I'm free this weekend. I'm free this weekend. I'm looking for a new job. I'm looking for a new job. Don't binge on beer. Don't binge on beer. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Watch your back. Watch your back. I want to go home. I want to go home. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. I'm afraid of height. I'm afraid of height. Don't bully me. Don't bully me. Are you nuts? Are you nuts? Get to the point. Get to the point. Don't blame her. Don't blame her. Everyone must attend the meeting, with no exceptions. Everyone must attend the meeting, with no exceptions. He makes $10 every hour at his job. He makes $10 every hour at his job. I need to do my hair before the party. I need to do my hair before the party. It takes an hour to get there. It takes an hour to get there. Let's have lunch. Let's have lunch. Did you do the dishes? Did you do the dishes? They make a living by farming. They make a living by farming. I'll text you later. I'll text you later. I forgot to do my homework. I forgot to do my homework. Let's take a selfie. Let's take a selfie. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Your outfit looks nice. Your outfit looks nice. Do it now, or do it at once. Do it now, or do it at once. Can I borrow your charger? Can I borrow your charger? That's all for today. That's all for today. It's your turn. It's your turn. I am going to the store. I am going to the store. Just taste it. Just taste it. Have a guess. Have a guess. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Take out your textbooks. Take out your textbooks. The exam is on next Monday. The exam is on next Monday. Don't poke your nose in. Don't poke your nose in. I have no choice. I have no choice. Have you ever had a pet? Have you ever had a pet? I will be right back. I will be right back. When did you get home last night? When did you get home last night? You have completely changed. You have completely changed. I would like to play outside. I would like to play outside. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the playground. It's bedtime now. It's bedtime now. I can tie my shoes. I can tie my shoes. Wash your hands first before eating. Wash your hands first before eating. Is your sister at home? Is your sister at home? How do you go to work? How do you go to work?